The Bible puts it this way through the psalmist. I think it's Psalm 138, round about verse 2, in the B part of it. It says something like this. It says, you have magnified your word above all your names. What this means is that the names of God are important, but the name of God will only function on the account of his word. So the reason we believe him as Jehovah Rapha is because he has said that he will heal your body. He says he upholds everything by the word of his power. So remember, we are told in creation that he created everything by his words. The author of Hebrews is now telling us that he upholds everything by his words. What this means is that you and I can change the narrative of our lives by the words that we speak. You and I can uphold the life of our children by the things that we speak. So which means if your business is going crazy, all you need to do is begin to inject the word of God, and the word of God will uphold it, because the word of God has prevailing power. So